Do you see how big this lot is?
No, I haven't seen anything yet.
The lot wraps all the way around. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, almost 1,300 square foot house, and the seller's asking $450.
This lot is this big and it's only a 2-bedroom, 1-bath.
I ran comps earlier. They're selling for like $720, $700. I like the big front yard, but I mean, how much value are we gonna lose because of the street? For a 2-bedroom house, this is a nice entry.
I feel like we're like in a manufactured home.
A raised foundation, plus the house is elevated from the street.
Wow. Very mint.
Okay, so this needs to be redone. I mean, it's a cute little house,
What do we
first-time
think
buyer.
about opening up this wall?
We know we can at least take it back to somewhere around here, because you see that pocket door that's inside there?
Yeah. What do you think we're looking at?
Your standard 15.
When did 15 become standard? I just said it's a small kitchen.
Since all the prices have been going up.
All right, what's in here?
Laundry.
Okay, so bedroom 1.
It's almost like they were gonna get it ready to sell and they just gave up.
Yeah.
So we have 1 bathroom in the house, and it's a good-sized bathroom.
Oh, yeah, it actually is. What, like 7,000?
With the tub and the shower, you're probably looking closer to 12 to 14.
Wow, this is a great garage. Look at this thing.
Oh my gosh. This is so weird. Why would they build another garage?
This is a guest house right here.
Well, they do have vent lines here.
This is kind of a game changer.
What do you think it would cost to make this an ADU?
Ooh, I think you'd probably be 60 to 80. Because what do you think you can get in here? A mini kitchen, bedroom, 1 bath, and a family room?
Yeah.
For 60, 70,000, I almost think we have to. I know with everything that's going on, the cities are just so behind, everything's delayed.
Yep.
So, I mean, how much time do you think?
But I really don't know.
Spending 70 grand, turning this into livable square footage will easily add about 100 grand in value.
So, I think you're gonna come in 92. That'd be finishing the garage as is.
All right.
All right?
Let you know.
All right, let me
Thank
know,
you.
guys. See ya.
They're asking 450. Let's just say we got the house for 400 and the remodel was 92, right? So that puts us at 492. If we sold it for 700,000, we'd have about 30,000 in closing costs and commission. So what is that? Break even of 522,000.
Good profit.
If we can get this house for like low 4s, we can remodel as is. We can build the ADU. We have options. All right, Jeff, so what did you find out about doing an ADU here?
When I spoke with the city, they said they actually had permits on this thing, but he never got it finalized. So we've got to go reinstate the permits, get all the inspections signed off.
So what's your best guess on how long it's gonna take to convert the garage into an ADU?
I'm gonna guess 6 months to a year
A year?
Here.
to get that thing approved, finished, signed off.
Let's not sit on it.
It just sucks because it's right there. It would be a perfect ADU. It just makes sense.
It would make sense if we knew it was gonna take 6 months or less, not a year.
2.5, 3 months?
Yep. So keep it as a garage,
Keep
Yep.
it as a garage.
done and done.
I'm trying to figure out if there's a way just to make a huge yard so whoever buys the house can understand they can do additions.
Right.
Like this is all dead space. It's a front yard, right? So now imagine you're standing here and this is backyard. It would be a
Yeah.
huge backyard, and we can do it by taking this wall down, putting a new fence on the perimeter wall all the way around, and now this entire thing is a private yard.
That makes a lot more sense because this would never be used.
So I think on the fence, you could be spending 8 to 10 grand. And then on the, if you wanted to wrap all the way around the front yard,
Wow.
you want a cheaper option, about 5 or so, you could bring the fence out there and cut it back into the house.
My only concern, though, it's raised over here and then it goes flat here.
Oh.
So, Jeff, would we have to excavate all that dirt back, and how much would that cost? Like, from the back of the house, it would now be flat all the way up.
We've got 7 for the excavation, and then we've got 5,000 for the fence if you want it to die back into the side of the house.
So you're talking 12 grand.
Right.
I think it's worth it.
Someone's going to add additions. And then once they see how much space they have, they're gonna be confident in doing so.
All right, let's do it.
All right,
Done.
cool.
Jeffrey! Jeff!
Yo, what's up, dude?
I got a question for you.
Yep.
We have a rock roof. I mean, in your opinion, can we keep it? What's the condition?
Look, inside, you don't have any leaks right now, but you've got some problems on the outside. You can see across, we've got a lot of rot on the fascia, we've got rot in the tails, and it is an ugly roof. It's also an expensive roof.
How much?
I can't really hear you from here.
It would be $21,000.
Why would it be
21,000?
$21,000 for a roof, Jeff?
$21,000.
It's a tiny 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house. All right, fine, $21,000. Let's replace the roof.
All right, I'll go get the permits pulled.
Did you say yes? I can't
I
hear
said
you.
yes.
Yes.
I said yes. What's up, Tim?
That looks pretty.
How's it going?
You know what? I actually dig that tile. You know, I thought it was gonna be a little bit busy, but it's kind of not.
No, it looks gorgeous. And I think I saw the tub in here. Look, see? It's a big tub. It's pretty, right? I think with that tile flowing around it, it just adds like a nice little feature. It's good. Wow,
Oh my gosh, what a difference.
it looks huge out here.
It looks like an acre lot.
What's crazy is before we did all this work and opened up the front to the back, it kind of just felt like unused space.
I mean, look at this driveway. You're like 6-car driveway,
You know who
2-car
this
garage.
is really gonna appeal to are people that have RVs and boats and those kind of accessories. I think it's gonna look really nice.
We're getting there, we're almost done.
Fireplace. There's not a lot going on in this room. I found a surround made of wood that we could paint white and do this beautiful white picket tile. That would be $1,500.
Okay, I'm just saying this. You hear that?
It's hollow.
No, it's not hollow, it's solid. It's the condition of the material. If we painted it a white, it would modernize the space.
You walk in the front door of the teeny tiny house that you can't even see the kitchen, and the first thing you see is old brick, painted, basic, white. Or you walk in the front door and you see this with a grand fireplace.
Listen,
Step
this house
back.
is getting out of control. We spent a lot of money. This is supposed to be a quick and easy flip. We spent $21,000 on a roof.
Okay, that is not, I would have rather done this to the roof.
Got this thing done pretty quick, huh?
Yeah, I think adding the fence was a nice touch.
How's that roof looking? That's the big question. I mean, it looks a lot better without all those rocks.
Definitely worth the money. It does have great curb appeal now. The paint colors look great. I love that we have some nice lawn out here.
Ooh, the door's cute. You know the best part about this house?
What?
We got it done super fast.
Yes.
Welcome home. First impression, super nice.
Also light and bright. Love that fireplace.
Was it worth it?
Oh my gosh, yes.
It does look good.
It looks really nice. You have a nice family room, cute dining area, and then the kitchen.
I mean, before, you gotta remember, the kitchen ended up right here.
My favorite part of the entire home, the backsplash. I know it got stolen.
Hey, you like it the first time we bought it or the second time?
I like it both times. The cabinet color, I think it would have looked kind of washed out if we would have done all white.
And laundry room's cute.
Let's check out the bathroom.
great bathroom. Look at the size of this thing.
Definitely added everything that a buyer would want. A huge tub, gorgeous tile, a large shower, double sinks.
I like how we carry the tile around the bathtub too.
Me too.
Bedroom number 1. Oh, it's cute how they staged it for 2 kids. All right, does this feel like a primary? Kinda.
Well, it works. It is under 1,300 square feet, so I don't think any buyers are gonna expect a huge bedroom. The backyard.
Now this was a behemoth to tackle. Look at that, we leveled out the backyard, we got rid of that weird step up, we got a beautiful garage, brand new driveway, and then moving the fence, it made it so much better.
It did. It's a perfect blank slate, and you can tell they can easily do an addition. This is gonna be what sells the home.
It would have been nice to do an ADU.
Right, but we got it done quick. 3 months.
3 months.
It looks great. So, what are we gonna list it for?
Ooh.
So, what are the numbers?
We paid $425 for the house, spent $135,000 on the remodel. We're gonna have $30,000 in closing costs, selling costs. So our break-even is gonna be $590,000.
Okay.
The only problem we're facing is we have no 2-bedroom comps. All the comparable properties are 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and they're selling high 7s to low 8s, but they're not fixed up like our house.
And what do you want to list for?
I think we can go $799,900.
$799, the same price as a 3-bedroom, 2-bath?
Yeah, you can get an older 3-bedroom or a brand new 2-bedroom. Here's the thing, we have a break-even of $590. If we sell this thing anywhere near $800,000, the entire thing was worth it.
It was a very smart move, getting in and out quickly.
And the market is still hot.
Well, $799?
$799,900.
Worth a shot?
Don't forget the 9. $799,900.
$799,900.
All right. Deciding not to do an ADU was tough, but trusting our gut and flipping the house quickly was the right call. After a week on the market and 2 offers, we're in escrow at $850,000. If this deal closes, we stand to make a profit of $260,000. Time to find another house to flip.